Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Yardi Voyager. In order to do so, head over to yardi.com. And what is Yardi all about? Well, elevate your real estate with Yardi. From property management to asset and investment management, our AI-enabled platform delivers seamless collaboration, smarter decision-making, and greater efficiency across your entire portfolio. Comprehensive property management solutions for diverse portfolios, the leading real estate products, including Voyager Suite. So let's go ahead and take a look here at Voyager. Elevate operations with market-leading property software. Yardi Voyager is a web-based, fully integrated end-to-end platform with mobile access for larger portfolios to manage operations, execute leasing, run analytics, and provide innovative resident, tenant, and investor services. And if you are interested, you can come here to book a demo. Let's go ahead and click on that. So you can fill out your contact information and someone will contact you for more information on how you can use Yardi Voyager. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business to offer tailored insights to help you and your business succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist for more information. And if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription to help you get started. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. Cintra is a fantastic tool. Check out Simply Financial as well. If you're looking for an online bank, Simply Financial is a great option, and you can get $50 to open your account if you click on the referral link in the link tree. Also, you can get $125 per referral by referring your friends and family once you get started. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.